especially in classics. 1988 Lincoln Mark VII. This particular car, dark Cabernet with the saddle or neutral interior in it. Underneath the hood, 5-liter V8. That is paired up with an automatic transmission. This particular car, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, little over 50,000 miles on it, 52,000 and some odd miles. We'll check that out when we start it up. Check out the interior. Let you get a good look at the front grille, bumper, paint condition on this one. Of course, power steering, power brakes, AC. Did have it running a little bit ago. AC compressor does kick on and off. Air, felt like a blue pool. Now, this car also started out life in California, then to Oregon before going south, and eventually making its way up north where we're at. So take a look at the underside pictures. You're going to see what I'm talking about when this was a California car, Oregon car, has not spent much time in the Midwest. Check out the underside pictures. Look at the pans. You'll see what I'm saying. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. And you'll see what I'm saying when you take a look at those. Tires put on within the last year and a half. Toyo radials. Previous owner also replaced the airbags in the rear that go with the suspension. So those have also been done. Take a look. This is a Bill Blass edition, of course, as you can tell by the logo in the seats. Leather buckets up front. Center console shifter on the floor. Also has the glass moonroof, and that is working. Power antenna back here also works. Those working earlier. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Of course, we have the Continental simulated spare tire bulge in the rear. Lincolns were known for. Once again, take a look at the still pictures you can see inside the trunk, the interior under the hood, and again, check out those floor pans underneath of this car. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Paint on it shows well. I mean, granted, it is 30-plus year old car, and it will have imperfections here and there, but considering the age and the miles, paint does show well. I'm going to show you one spot I did notice up here. There's a little bit bubbling right there. Let's go ahead and take a peek at the interior. Of course, power seats both sides, power windows, locks, mirrors, very nicely equipped cars, of course, being the Lincoln Mark VII. This would be the original interior, door panels, seats, carpeting. Take a look at the top of the dash. You can tell this car was stored indoors. It's not cracked. The light flashing you see, that would be for a theft guard. Take a look up here. Again, sunroof, headliner. Headliner all intact, also in nice shape. Leather's wearing like you could expect. Not ripped or torn through, but you will have a little wear from getting in and out, of course. Nothing. Nice leather conditioner. Won't help in keeping it nice and supple. All right, let's start this up. Cool sounding car with that 5-liter power plant. All right, electronic climate control, and I do have it on AC, and like I said, the compressor kicks on and off. It is blowing cool, but it maybe need a charge. A little colder, yes, possibly. The AC compressor and everything is working. I'm going to turn that off for a minute so it doesn't kick on and off while we listen to it underneath the hood with the hood open. There's your exact miles, 52,831. The one other thing I did notice on the radio, now again, the power antenna worked. Switch for that right here. Power antenna does work. I'm going to run that up and we'll show you when we hop out. Wipers did work. Radio power's up, as you can see here, but I have no volume. So, radio could use a little attention. Alright, a little closer look at the dash. gonna slip around, let you hear it from the rear. Pop the hood. Didn't turn that AC all the way off either. All right, there you go. Get a listen to it. Good sounding car. Of course, you got V8 power plant. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. Let's pop the hood, let you check out the engine bay, and we'll wrap.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
I mentioned I'd run that antenna. There you go. Our antenna does work. Take a look underneath the hood. There's a 5-liter V8, power steering, power brakes, AC. Wanted to let you see that compressor kick on and off. So there you go. Nice, tidy engine bay, pretty much stock, what you'd expect from a car with this kind of miles. And again, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. If you take a peek here and look through the still pictures, you're going to see the tags on the inside of the fenders. You're also going to see it on the deck lid, on the trunk. You can see it on the rear quarters, right there. So it clears that it is all original body panels. And again, with that clear, clean Carfax, what you'd expect. Give us a call, 1988 Lincoln Mark 7, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.